It's a beautiful day in Boston, and today I have senior Jess McCabe in the studio with me. Jess is the president of the Bentley Green Society and also serves as the eco-rep for Boylston Hall. So Jess, tell me what's going on with the Green Society right now.
So at the beginning of February, the Green Society kicked off the Blackout Challenge Redemption, which is the second blackout challenge that happens on campus each year. And it's a competition between all the dorm buildings to see who can reduce the most energy over 4 weeks, and the winner gets a t-shirt prize.
I also know you're an eco-rep. Could you tell me a bit about that, please?
Sure. I'm an eco-rep for Boylston Hall, and for every hall council that RHA has, there's an eco-rep that sits on it, and we put a sustainable or green twist on all the events that we have each year.
I signed the President's Climate Commitment in 2007, literally just a couple of weeks after I arrived at Bentley University as president. And I did it for a couple of reasons. First of all, I think sustainability in operations for a school of our size is incredibly important, and we should be committed to reducing our carbon footprint each and every year. And at the same time, we're a standalone business university, which means that we educate our students to care every bit as much about people and our planet as we want them to care about profits and company bottom lines. So I felt like this was exactly the right thing to do.
Bentley University is a standalone business school with about 5,000 undergraduate and graduate students combined. As an institution, we have a climate action plan that commits us to carbon neutrality by 2030. The Office of Sustainability benefits greatly from a facilities management department that is right on the money with energy efficiency improvements, an engaged faculty and staff population, and great student involvement in all of our sustainability groups on campus. Thus far, we've reduced our carbon footprint 42% as compared to our 2008 baseline. Our facilities management department is really a cut above the rest. They are constantly replacing old equipment on campus with the most efficient models. Just recently, in 2012, they replaced all of the outdoor lighting on campus with LEDs, resulting in $100,000 worth of savings for the university annually. Our energy systems engineer monitors and controls a sophisticated energy management system that's operated campus-wide. Facilities management has also installed demand-controlled heating and cooling in some spaces on campus. This means that an occupancy sensor triggers the system to turn on when someone comes into a room and should shut off when someone leaves a room, so we're not heating or cooling empty spaces. In 2012, we committed to buy off-site wind power via Green E-certified renewable energy certificates. This wind power purchase offsets 100% of our electricity use on campus annually. We've recently been honored by the EPA and been named to the Green Power Partnership Leadership Club for this purchase. We've increased our campus-wide waste diversion rate from 14% to 35% in just 2 years. We've expanded our single-stream recycling program, and we put a new compost program in place in 2012.
In the Natural and Applied Sciences Department at Bentley, we offer 2 unique curricular programs that give students a chance to connect the science of sustainability with business studies. So we have the bachelor's degree in sustainability science, which is a brand new program that's really innovative, not offered anywhere else that we're aware of, and also a degree program, liberal studies concentration in Earth, Environment, and Global Sustainability. Both programs give students the chance to connect coursework, internships, and undergraduate research in environmental sustainability combined with business studies. Our goal is to help prepare students to solve society's environmental sustainability challenges through business development, public policy, and personal decision-making.
I was really excited when I found out Bentley accepted my proposal to install a green bean recycling machine on campus. Green bean is a reverse vending machine where you can deposit bottles and cans and receive a refund and other prizes. Students can go online to learn more about their positive environmental impact and encourage friends to recycle.
In 2010, we received a National Science Foundation grant to develop sustainability curricula specifically geared toward business students. We brought together a diverse group of faculty from different disciplines in science, liberal arts, and business to design a transdisciplinary module for students based on the problems with corn ethanol. So together we designed a common exercise for students in all the courses using a large USDA data set that introduces them to the problem of corn ethanol. Individually then, we used a course-specific exercise to teach a core concept in that discipline related to corn ethanol. For example, students in my environmental chemistry class actually made ethanol from both corn and sugar and compared the different reaction rates, while students in microeconomics looked at the problem in the context of supply and demand. By introducing students to these concepts in the context of a really difficult problem of sustainability, like which alternative fuels to include in our energy mix, students learn that there aren't just technological solutions or political or economic solutions, but they have to see the problem as a whole. The most important outcome of breaking down these disciplinary walls is that faculty actually start to see the complex nature of the problems we're teaching in the classroom. In fact, we just submitted a follow-up grant to the National Science Foundation to expand this work to other universities across the country.
Bentley is educating future business leaders with the goal of transforming the private sector into one that favors triple bottom line thinking. As you can see, Bentley takes its commitment to carbon footprint reduction and sustainability very seriously. We continue to work throughout campus to change behavior around resource use and shift campus culture to create a more sustainable society.